the rare red diamond play button. I'm dedicating my life to make the best YouTube videos you ever seen. Yeah. Takes money to make money. I'm doing this all by myself. Except for my little brother. Young, old, or in between. Subscribe to
I love butter. Give it back. Told you not to mess with Hannah. What in the world is this? Everything.
Life is lost. Have faith in you.
I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life and then you'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote the little ones. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can bore me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. I'm unstoppable. What's up? Give me everything you took from me. Give me everything you took from me. But I'm too fast. Push my head up on that better than I'm gone. Keep up on my track, while I should keep my numbers going strong. Give me everything you took from me. Give me everything you took from me. But I'm too fast. Push my head up on that better than I'm gone. Keep up on my track, while I should keep my numbers going strong.
what the lapa. Ting! Don't tell me this premium. Don't talk about premium. We just
Nagtatanay ko.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. I'm so cold. Ay, ay, ay. 'Cause of you. Ay, 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 sa tuloy ng sun. Oh, la, 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 la. Ay, ay, ay. Ting, ting. Ay, ay, ay. Bala-bala boga, nagbangsit ka.
Pwede sinelas na Ayun ko yung mama. Nagado
Let's go. Nakapadala. Shit. Ay, ay, Gawa ka na to Robux. Robux. Naman na Robux. Naman na palka. Okay, Robux. Where's that stupid girl? What?
No. Okay.
Nagtumar ka na. Ito kung doatan. Pero pag nakita niya eh.
Yay!
Lahat ng
Roll.
panahon. Yeah, dati t-shirt ka anak ane. Agaw at pala ti t-shirt ita nung pangras ka.
Ay, oh.
Nak. Tama na niya ti oras, 6:25. Sige, more. Mama, no, 3 times a day, during every 6 hours niya. May mayat, every 6 hours. Aji, masurot yung oras na ah.
Ma, give me Robux. Mama, give me Robux.
May speak ka sa mga katumar kirabi.
Mama, give me Robux. Ma, give me Robux. Give me Robux.
Wait.
Mama, give me Robux. Mama, give me Robux. Mama, don't give me Robux. Give me Robux, Mama. Mama, give me Robux. Robux. I need a Robux. What's the cup, bitch? Bitch. 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 Oh, what's that? What the?
Ngayong araw pupunta tayo sa BGC para hanapin si iShowSpeed, isa sa mga famous YouTuber sa buong mundo sa speed. Kaya isang karangalan makita ko lang siya sa personal, goods na ako dun. At mission ko dito, mahawakan ko lang siya kahit isang beses lang. Masaya na talaga ako dun. At ito muna nangyari kay iShowSpeed bago siya pumunta sa BGC. Pag-mambiwan siya sa basketball player, na-ankle break pa nga siya dito eh. At na-stranded dito si Speed sa Chowking, parang zombie apocalypse nangyayari dito. Hindi siya makalabas dahil sobrang gulo nangyayari sa labas. At dito pagtingin ko si stream niya, nakasakay na siya sa Mobit. Kaya sumakay na din ako ng gas para pumunta sa BGC.
Dito na tayo sa BGC at hanapin natin si Show.
Si Speed sa live, kaya nagta-Speed kaya dali na.
At talaga Find malayo. Lakot pa na itong BGC niya to, you know. Speed!
Grabe talaga, sobrang daming tao. Yung mga sasakyan dito hindi na makaalis. Sa sobrang saya ko nga dito, napamura na lang ako kay Speed.
Speed! Puta ka mo! Ang malaga malapitan natin sa yung mission natin. Ang malaga malapitan natin siya.
Unahan nyo, pare.
Oh. Speed!
Ayun, sa wakas nahawakan ko si Speed. Pero ito yung nangyari sa akin. Natulak ako ng bantay niya. Ayun, naipitaw sa gilid at tumama yung siko ko sa bakal. Ayun, tanggal kulit ko dito.
Putang ina! The best! Parang ang apocalypse! Ah! Sorry. Sabi guys, pause na tayo, no? Grabe, oh. Sabi guys, speed! Sang mausay. Tinula ko lang ano yung guardia niya. Sakit ha? Hanapin ko. Nawakan ko na eh. Wala eh. Malapit eh. Natulak lang. Ano? Ay, burat!
At dito grounded na talaga yung mga tao dito. At di ko na malayan sa ipits na pala itong buwabakot dito. Nakita ko rin kapatid ni Shanner Navarro dito, si Dab. Isa na rin content creator.
Ay, kuya ma. Ay, hindi mo punta.
At dito hindi ko inaas Pilipinas. Welcome to Philippines.
Taklan talaga ako ng bantay. Rat. At
Bro, what the? Bro, what is this? Oh, so sassy. That's so sassy.
Why are Marvel's bald characters so powerful? Is it true that the shinier the head, the stronger the power? In Deadpool and Wolverine, we meet a new Omega-level mutant, Professor X's twin sister. She nearly killed Charles in the womb, and her powers are extraordinary. To deal with the chatty Captain America, she just needs to wave her hand. Even Deadpool and Wolverine together can't beat her. She also has insane healing abilities. You could say all the heroes in the Void combined couldn't take her down. Good thing she's just in it for fun. And on distant Earth, there's another bald powerhouse, the Ancient One. Her every move is a display of godlike power.
Yeah, that's cool. No, what the? What would they? What? Bro, he escaped. Bro, what would they? What? Bro, what would they? What? That's so scary!
Enjoy 0% interest deals with SPay later. Shop from over 100 0%.
Naganda tayo ng 10 pinakamalalaki at pinakamatatapang na gagamba at kung sino ang matira matibay, may pera. Saan ka manalo ng free accommodation sa Okada?
What's up, BG? So, ngayong gabi, magaganap ang Gagamba Tournament sa BG House Park.
Boy, kabahan na siya kasi andito na yung totoong champion.
Kasi nung part 1 wala si Argon, pero ngayon nakakalibanin niya ang ating defending champion.
Yung gagamba ni Argon, may puto. Excuse me, masil-masil yung gagamba ko. Speaking of, guys, sobrang lalaki ng mga gagambang inihanda natin sa kahon na to. Pero bago kayo mamili, late. Ang laki, di ba? Kita nyo yun, G. Kaya ito?
Yan. Ay, dyan lang daw muna siya nag-park mo. Ay, grabe naman yan.
Grabe to, par.
Sige, lumabas oh, grabe oh.
Tingnan mo yung sa tournament na to, may 4 na bracket. At 4 lang doon ang mananalo.
Yeah.
Yun yung mag-i-stay so calm.
So, ito sa akin.
May ideya ako. Ayaw. gising.
Ito ako si Boy. Tiger Lily. Hinahanap ko rin Tiger Lily gising. Ito na, nakapili na ako.
Sige, pwesto.
Teka lang, bibulong ako muna. Coach. Bigyan mo kagad. Relax ka lang.
Gulo ako rin to. Simple lang ang mission. Kagatin mo sa kuwit.
Ready na.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Bakbakan na.
Kikiam na kayo.
1-0. Sige, no problem. Talikuran mo. Talikuran mo.
Ako mamaya ka na matulog.
Ayun na mga kaibigan. Sige mo pamilya mo. Sipin mo.
Babagsak ka.
Sipin mo. Ay, hindi niya talaga kagatin. Hindi niya talaga kagatin. Kaya sabod kumagat ng matanda yung gagamba ko.
Dahil ang pangit ng laban, ang nanalo, ang gagamba ng matanda. Yan.
Uy, na.
I choose you.
Grabe, Ed.
Uy, ganun din eh. Magkapatid siya.
Batang support versus batang support.
Sinusundan.
Okay, 1-0 in favor of Lamin support.
Patay na ito yung akin.
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Patay yung akin. Nagaguungot.
Ano pa ba yan?
Hindi ko nakamantay. Nakakuduguan, Jing.
Witness the origin of Optimus Prime, Megatron, Alita, and Bumblebee. You can call me Badassatron. We're gonna call you B. Transformers 1.
Hanselicious! Ang bango at sarap ng Hansel.
Uy, nagkakatalo pa ako.
Sige, tapusin.
Patay na ito yung akin.
Tapusin.
Wala na.
Uy!
Bakla po.
At andito na tayo sa championship kung saan makakalaban ang gagambang Bonchok versus gagambang Baton na may puto. Pick your fighter.
Nakita mo kung gano'ng kabilis? Nakita mo?
Ako naman.
Bugi, bilis.
Ito na lang, sige. Yan ang gagamba ni Albon.
Boy,
Nakakakita ang gilas, boy. Tignan natin. Sa laban. Uy, gogi. Nabaliw. Sa akin yan, oy.
Baliw. Ito na malaki sa akin.
Unang pagkikita, draw. Magandang laban.
Okay, there.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Palang parang kang baba. Oo, to. Oo, dewa. Oo, dewa. Maria pangaman naman na. Wow. This is the greatest thing on my lap. What's from yesterday? She not. Yeah.
Today, my daughter Salish adopts Farhan from the royalty family and instantly regrets it.
You're running this new trampoline. My baby brother is being annoying.
Stop!
I am so excited because I do have an older brother, but lately I've been wanting a younger sibling that can just boss around. He's here. Hi.
Hi.
Look, guys, my baby brother came.
Baby brother? We're
Yeah.
literally the same age.
I'm older than you.
I kind of like this couch, honestly. From here on, this is my spot. That's your spot. Oh, yeah, this is definitely my spot.
That's always been my
No,
spot.
too late now.
No,
Get it,
that's
baby.
always been
And
my
no,
spot.
I like
That's
it more.
always been my spot.
Didn't you just get here 30 seconds ago? You guys are already bickering like siblings?
No, this has always
Oh,
been
no, I
my
claimed
spot.
it, no.
Well, what
I
was I
guess I'm
supposed to do?
At the end of the day, Salish will be given an unlimited credit card and have to decide, does she spend it on herself or on her new brother? Okay, wait, stop. Farhan, welcome to our home.
Thank
It's
you.
so nice to have you here. Is this all you brought, or do you have anything else?
No, I have a couple more stuff. Actually, can you come help me?
Experience with Farhan, I think.
Why so much stuff?
I'm just moving in.
Where are you gonna put all of this stuff?
Don't worry, I have a plan. Just help me take this out, all right? Please don't drop it. Please don't drop it.
My baby brother, I should have to do this.
I'm not your baby brother.
You can get out.
Ready, this way, please. Go ahead and put it inside my room. Yeah, be careful with that one. Perfect. Thank you so much. Hey, that's a little bit heavy. Just watch out. Just please don't crash. Okay. Thank you so much,
Inside of
Salish.
your room?
Yeah, in my room.
Which room?
It's upstairs.
There are rooms.
Just go. It's fine. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, you're welcome.
This is gonna be awesome. Okay, so where's our room?
My room is right over there.
Oh, perfect. All right, let me go check it out. Yeah, just give me 1
That's
second.
my room. Our room.
This is